If you suffer from lower back pain, muscle spasms, or arthritis, chances are you spend a small fortune on doctor's visits, prescription medication, or over-the-counter medicine. The good news for you is that nature provides a remedy that may help you save money and may help you feel better. This remedy is very easy to grow, so you don't have to be a master gardener to grow it. Catnip should not be confused with catmint. They're both from the same genus, the Nepeta genus, and they both contain the chemical nepentolactone. Nepentolactone is a chemical compound that acts as a sedative. So it's going to help relax your muscles. It's going to help prevent those pain signals from getting to the brain as quickly. And it'll help you go to sleep despite the pain. There are multiple ways to get these herbs into your system. You can drink them in tea form, you can eat them raw, or you can dry them and smoke them. The quickest way to get it into your system is to simply take the fresh leaves, bruise them or cut them up, put them in a teacup or mason jar, boil some water, pour the water over them, let that steep in that water for 10 to 20 minutes at least. And that is the quickest way to get it into your system. This is catnip. Notice the size of the leaves as compared to the size of my hand. Again, catnip and catmint are in the same genus. They have very similar aromas, but they are different plants. Let's go look at the catmint. Notice the difference in size. So to harvest, you just come in and snap off about the top third of the plant, right at one of the nodes. Same thing with your catnip. Just come in. You can see it clearer on the catnip because it's a larger plant. Snap it off right at the node. And we're going to combine the two in a tea. Make sure you bruise the leaves. You can do that with scissors, or you can simply rip the leaves with your fingers. This has been your Natural Mystic Medicine Man, reporting from the Akasha Wellness Center on behalf of Natural Medicine News. I'm going to talk to you real soon. Peace and guidance.